This is for Model Y. We just changed the Pyro fuse. The main connection is off as well. We took the seats out. That was, I think, the hardest part in this. So it comes in two sections. That's one seat, and these two are connected together. And it has 1, 2, 3. Look at that, 4, 5. So 5 screws. Literally take these out. Make sure you kind of fold this so it's easier to take it out. But it's not folded, you might have to connect the 12-volt battery so you can bring it down. It's locked right now. So what else? Yeah. Once you take the screws, before you take the screws out, make sure so this is connected to right here to the frame. So make sure you kind of like press these two things, and then you can pull it out, and then that way you can take these cable out. And to take the cable out right here, well, it's kind of like a clip. Then you kind of like press it, and then you can easily plug it out. Same thing on that side. That has one cable. This has one cable to the to control the seats. For heat, for car's heat, it's right here, but that's for it's with the bottom cushion. And yeah, that's about it. So, oh, and to make sure when you try to put it back in, keep it completely closed. Align this red kind of screws out. Make sure you align that, and put these 2 bars in place. Once this is in place, you can literally pull this up, and you're gonna hear click, like this is gonna close, and all these 5 screws are gonna be all aligned, and that's when you kind of like tighten the screws. That's it for Model Y.